Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So last video I gave you guys a quick summary on the status of the B13, and I stated that I'm going to change the Tsuru dash. So I went ahead, started unbolting trim parts. I finally got the dash out. So I'm going to give you a quick overview of what I've done and then let you know where we're at. All right, hold on. So as you can see, we got the dash out. It was not as hard as I thought it would be. There's just a few bolts holding the dash, some 10s on the top, some 10 millimeters on the bottom, and just pretty much all the trims, the radio trim, the glove compartment, and just the bezel, cluster, and a few things under, the few plastics under the steering wheel. So she is off. See, we got it loose, pulled it back, and took it out the passenger side, which is a lot easier. I don't even think you can take it out to the driver's side. So yeah, there she is. She is off. And there are a few differences between these dashes. So as you can see here, this is the USDM one. Let me put this on the side. This is the USDM one. And so, a few things I've noticed. Let me put this here. So you can see this dash has these vents here. I don't know what exactly they were for. Maybe just a black hole where all your screws fall and you can never take them out. But the Tsuru dash does not have it. Let me leave the light on here. Tsuru dash does not have it. It actually looks pretty smooth. I like it without them. The second thing I noticed is the material. The Tsuru dash is a hard plastic material, opposed to the USDM, which is not, which is actually a squishy, spongy material, which I kind of like better, but that's all right. So that's the second difference. And the third difference is this guy here. So this is the Tsuru, however you want to call it, bezel for the cluster. It actually sits a bit taller than the OEM USDM one. So when you put it on, there's a little lip here on the top which closes that gap up. Thankfully it came with this. I didn't even know that. I should have researched it, but thankfully I got lucky and it came with it. So I just need some minor modifications. I can probably reuse this for my Clifford alarm light, and then hopefully just put the buttons that the Clifford alarm, I forgot what that was called. This guy right here. Move that over somehow, and then move this light over somehow. So those are minor little things I gotta do, but as you can see, if I put the USDM bezel on the Tsuru dash, there is a gap right there. It's not seated 100%, but it will not fill in that gap. Let's see if I can give you a better look. I'm gonna place it right here for 1 second. Let me get the Tsuru dash. So, as you can see, come on, right there, you can see that there's a bit of a difference in the height of the bezel. So, thankfully, that came with the dash. I gotta do a minor, I guess, customization with these buttons, move them around somewhere else. I could put this somewhere else, doesn't really have to go here. And this little light, I don't know, maybe I can use this light. It's like a button, but I'll figure it out. Move that over. And I think that should do it. I hope there's no other differences that won't allow me to install the dash without any heavy modification. That should be it. And as you can see, this is an old dash. It's gotten brittle over the years, and here are the cracks. I hate those things. Actually, I like these dashes better, but that's all right. So we're gonna replace it. And before I install this one, I'm actually gonna get some sandpaper and pick up some vinyl paint to match this as best as possible, because there's some very minor scratches on it. You can barely tell there, but here you can probably see. I'm gonna just sand that down, repaint it, let it dry out, and then I'll go ahead and install it. But I think that's about it. And you can see the vents that I was telling you about are deleted here. You can see here, it's closed up. Those are the outlets for these vents here, which are these tubes there. We go to the back. So those are the few differences I found so far. I hope there's nothing else. There's no other surprises. It should bolt up. I don't see why not. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. And hopefully next video I'm gonna see if I can connect the GoPro somewhere here, maybe to the sunroof glass, so that you can watch me install it. It's not that hard. And that's it, guys. That's just a quick update and where we're at with the Tsuru dash swap, and I'll keep you posted. All right, guys. Well, see you later. Bye.